Wait a minute. Y'all mind if I wild out? Hold on. God damn! I swear I have the best barber in the DMV. You can't tell me that I don't, because I know I do. But anyway, guess what? I just took my last photo before we go to Ocean City, and guess I failed that bitch. But that's okay. We're going to Ocean City! Yes! Yes! I just gotta go to Dick's because I gotta get some socks, and I gotta get another pair of shorts because it's hot as nuts out here. But anyway, I think it's gonna be a great video. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. If you want to get a shirt, if you want to get a sticker, DM me on Instagram. No, I'm going to cruise week. You going to cruise week? Ha! You're not. I'm going. Oh, you nasty bitch. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy out here, my co-pilot. He's gay as shit. Got my boy Josue over there. We got these two bums over here, but on God and them, I think I got the fastest car in the pack today. Oh, poor child. We got a Goose. Oh, you're putting E85 in this? This takes E?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Really? Yo, how much you get into the gallon with this bad boy?
Like 10.
10?
Yeah.
Wow. How much power?
It's probably like 200.
200? Damn. Yo, what you got cracking under this hood? You got yourself a V8?
No, not yet.
Not yet?
It's not LS
No,
swap.
not LS swap yet. We there yet?
Yeah, the beach is right there.
That was fucking loud. We are out here like a bunch of slaves walking to Wawa, but yo, y'all mind if I wild out real quick? Yo, peep my haircut. Damn. Wow.
Wave check.
Hold on.
Woo!
Damn.
God damn.
Wow.
City's not for another 50 miles, bro.
Right, but I got the waves right here, baby.
Man, my boobs are sweating.
Oh, yes, Lord. We got a new car. We got the wagon. You know what I'm saying? We got power seats. We got Oh, let's just close that back up. Never mind. All the way in the back seat. God damn. Gotta go. Yo, unlock the door. Yo, unlock the doors. Stop! Ah! Yo, Ricardo, yo, how are you feeling, baby boy?
Yo, he's drunk.
Like, his face is so red right now. Yes. Update, just got to the house. You know, it's my new crib. Check me out. I took that picture, I painted it. Yeah, I don't like pets in my house. Oh, leave my shit right there, yo. You know what I'm saying? This is my whole kitchen hole. Excuse me. Check out my freezer, bro. Yeah. We got waffles and nuggets. It's all we living off of. Plus these eggs and these nuts. And yeah, this is where we're all gonna get fucked up. So come over to my crib. I don't know the address, but you niggas can come through. This is the most interesting thing we've seen on our walk tonight. Wow.
Can we talk about this? Look me up, dummy.
Lord, yes, Lord.
Look at this. A whole ass trailer.
Yes, Lord.
Just a beautiful car. Ladies and gentlemen, that, my friends, is a liqueur store. A beer, liqueur, and wine.
I'm trying to get white girl wasted off somewhere locked.
Got my ID cracked. And he looked at me, I gave him my ID, he said, where's the other half of it? I looked at him, I said, and my wallet? I'm like, where else would it be, my nigga?
Oh my God, is that Galtron?
Corona time, fool.
Corona time, fool.
Day 2 of cruise week. Ladies and gentlemen, let me break it down to you. We ran out of waffles, and I'm ashy as shit. But it's okay, because someone ripped off fat ass burnout last night.
Most important meal of the day, serving it up. Gary's like, bleh.
Yeah.
The bait was never this clean.
Wow, this is clean. And you did it all with this Adams?
Well, they make, I don't know, stuff's expensive as hell,
Right.
but they make.
Yeah, let's talk about it. Oh, you're gonna be my cameraman?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, thank God.
Just
Alright.
don't nut on my face.
Huh?
Don't nut on my face.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
All right, let me break this down for y'all. Look, you gotta get your Johnson & Johnson's sweet sausage, right? You gotta open your shit up. Now, usually what you do is you wanna take some foil, you wanna put that shit down so it doesn't stick. You get yourself some Pam, you brush that bitch over. But we're working with what we got today, so we don't have any of that. So we're just gonna, yeah. Then we wanna evenly space them things out, evenly. Just good enough so that, they're not, touching, but not touching, but touching. Then what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna take your shit, you just wanna throw that right in there. Now, we're not at the original kitchen, but just know we got some Prego traditional. You're just gonna take that shit and just, hold on. Ooh. Yes, Lord. A lot of y'all don't know how to season shit, and I'm not gonna tell you how to season shit either. So just know I got my secret stuff in my bag. It's that good gas. Now, it probably looks like a lot to most of y'all, but hold on. You're gonna mix that in there, right? Sometimes you gotta make sure you scrape the pot, scrape the bowl. You see, look at this. Look at this. Nestor, can you come in real quick, close up? You see how this is evenly seasoned? Well, what you're gonna wanna do is, look. You're gonna wanna get your ricotta cheese. You just wanna take your spoon, boy, you wanna drop that in
Screen
there.
just went black.
Now you good. You wanna take another scoop, drop that shit in there. Now that's what makes your sauce a little creamy, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, you wanna bring your shit up, well, you wanna put it on, about faux. You're gonna let that shit bake. You're gonna let that sit for a little bit. We'll be right back with you guys after this commercial break. The sauce coming along nicely. When you mix your ricotta cheese in, you get this orange tint to it. That's how you know you got a good sauce. Down here, I don't like cooking sausage in glass. I'd rather use like metal or aluminum or whatever it is, because it cooks differently. But we're working here with what we got. See, you got your sauce bubbling, just like that. You wanna make sure you keep stirring it. We're gonna cut these things up, put them in there. After you get your sausage in there, you let that shit bake. But save a little bit. I let all my kids try it. Kids, can you tell me what you thought?
It was fucking nasty. Love your sausage.
Take your noodles, you're gonna put it back in the pot, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your sauce, you're gonna mix that shit in. Just like, oh God. Oh, we are right on the edge, but baby, we're good. Then you mix it in, and that salts everything, it bakes everything. Everything comes out nice and right. Thanks for coming to my cooking show today. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are out here.
I have PTSD now.
We are,
What that means, potential to stack dough.
we are out in H2O. You guys got drunk Carl. It's kind of cold. Your titties cold?
My nipples are hard.
It's probably Carl recording. Oh, it's nighttime. Cruise week's been pretty lit. We're gonna keep finding other things to get into.
I only got sparkling.
Put it in your mouth.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the back.
Your seat forward.
You are not that tall. Yo, he is driving in the back seat, my nigga. Escalera. Oh. Hey, that car. Now you gotta do it. Just one more. One more. One more. Oh my God, I might have peed a little bit.